Welcome everyone to Office Hour. It is your awesome teaching assistant, TA Gray here. And today's Office Hour is going to be about error handling. Yes, up in here, okay? You gotta get excited for errors because if you don't get excited for errors, it's just gonna make you cry. I'm just letting you know, it's gonna make you cry, so you gotta get excited, okay? So I'm excited because when I was a student, I got a whole bunch of errors. You have no idea how many errors I got. Okay, I think you guys really don't understand how many errors I got. But I got a lot of errors, and then I handle errors, as you know, for students all the time. And sometimes it's just different. So I want to teach you all how to handle errors, where to look. And I'm actually going to be the student today, and you guys are going to be the TAs today. So you guys are going to help me solve my problems, and it'll kind of give you a little bit of I feel your face, Robert. But help solve my problems. And will be a really great activity to do because it's going to be interactive. I'm going to need you guys to talk to me. So this is going to be really awkward recording if you guys don't talk to me. This is literally in preparation for your exam, and this may be the errors you're going to face. So please put on your thinking caps. I'm going to put on mine as well. And because some of these errors I know and other of these I probably don't know. So you're going to help me out with that there, okay? And of course, you have Will to back us up if we really need be. But this is kind of like how we would kind of go about problem solving and so on and so forth. So hopefully this is encouraging for you. Again, this is very normal. Part of your job is going to have to debug errors. As new developers, you probably never write a single new code for anything, or maybe unless you're working for a startup or something. So the reality is your job is going to debug. Get used to errors, get used to how to handle them, and how to stay calm when it does not go your way. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. All right, so share my screen. All right, so I am going to put this away. Oh, I'm actually going to put this over here. I like doing it this particular way. So I already have some stuff open, and let's just say, again, I don't need y'all to talk to me. So please yell out. It's okay. I'm okay with yelling out. Just don't yell at me. But anywho, this is my app. So I'm going to just walk you through my app, and you're going to tell me where to look and what could be the problem and how to fix it. No one can, again, there are several errors here. If you don't get one, you probably get another. I don't know how many errors they are, but there's quite a few errors. So hopefully we'll try to get through them within the next half an hour. So I'm on my product list, woo, and I try to click on create a product. And it takes me to my page, cool. And let's try to enter in a product. I don't know a whole bunch of products, so could y'all someone give me a product, please? I would appreciate y'all if y'all did that. Anyone for a product?
Brita water filter.
Brita water, thank you. Brita water filter. And I'm gonna think it costs like $25. And then I'm just going to say filters. I can't spell. Filters out impurities. Oh, I spelled it right. Create product. Create product. It's not working there. What to do?
I checked the console. I checked the console, like inspect real quick, see if you're getting any errors.
Cool. So let's check this console. Ooh, I'm getting all these errors over here. Oh, I got this course thing. Shout out to Tyler. So what's going on here, guys? How to debug this?
You could try seeing if your controller would even work. Just go to Postman and try to create something first.
Very, very good. I need to go to my handy dandy Postman. Okay, Postman is the man. I don't know, or the woman, whatever, or they, whatever. So just understand, use your Postman. Postman is going to be your bestie when debugging. You wanna know why? It cuts down on debugging. So I should have had this open. I'm sorry, guys. See, I wasn't prepared. I'm so sorry. So I'm my postman. Okay, cool. So then what should I do here? I'm gonna test. What am I gonna test? Where'd it go?
Well,
I
first
wanna
we need
test.
to know what the route is that you're actually targeting. So we'd have to
Very
go
good.
back into your code.
Very good. I agree. So I'm gonna go on my server. Here it is. Oh, that's not it. This is it. So here, I'm gonna go to my routes. Okay, cool. So do I have a route called, what's my route?
API products new.
Okay, cool. So post.
You don't have a post route.
I don't have a post route. Very good. That is one of my errors.
Good catch, Chris.
Very good. So I finally have my new route, have my local host. Let me just do, I said API products / new. So let me go here. Then we're going to body, we're going to raw, and we're going to JSON. Okay. So I believe I have title, and I believe I have price, and I believe I have description. Okay, cool. So title, we're gonna just do test, 1. Whole test, like I think I tested a whole bunch, so test 7. And then actually this needs to be test 7, comma. We're gonna do, $5, and then here we're gonna just rock some gobbledygook. All right. So description.
We need a comma after 5.
Thank you. Keeping me on my toes. Again, please yell it out for me. Talk to me, please. So send. Ooh, I'm getting this error connection refused. What's going on here, guys? What's going on? Where'd you look?
Oh, you don't have a port in your post URL.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. But what's my? Let's look right, guys.
It should be a colon, not a slash after localhost.
Catch me slipping out here in these streets. All right, moment of truth. All right, cannot find module. What is going on here? Can't find module. So let's look in our real.
Yeah, let's check your package JSON.
Okay. So before we check the package JSON, let's read our error. Let's read our error. What is our error saying? Error route.get requires a callback function but got an object undefined. What the heck? What does that even mean?
To Google.
The Google. Yes, that's what did that from Google. But I'll give you guys a hint. It says router.get. Why should I go look?
Your controller?
Yeah, I would agree with that. Oh, I may actually have to. Hopefully I didn't make this too hard. Don't be mad at me, guys. Don't be mad at me. All right. See, my comments, I feel like it's giving y'all too much. So hopefully look at my comments, because I'll be giving y'all heads too. So you'd be like, oh, just now uncommitted changes. Thanks. VS Code. But anywho. But what's going on? What's the problem?
You've got nope.
I definitely forgot something here. It's not that one though. But I have my create though. I have my create. This is actually pretty, I want to say super common, but this actually has happened before.
Do you need to export the product?
Ooh, very good, very good. But where do we go to do that though? Where do we go to do that?
I
You're
don't-
definitely on a you're definitely very close. Where do we
Do you
go to
need
do
a-
that?
Do you need to find single op product?
I do, and I can just do this here and just put that back. But that doesn't fix my issue here. It's still the same issue, but I did need that. But that was another error. What? Good. So I definitely need my find one product. Cool.
You can go to your model.
Ooh, okay. Someone's a little warmer here. Okay. So go to my model. Look very, 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 very closely. Look very closely. It could be something so small that you didn't know it was even a thing. What could be it?
Is it the characters long?
Nope. Well, thank you. Not
I was
spelling.
gonna say those are misspelled because the other one on mine it's like I misspelled something, so I'm like, well, I'm guessing there's a misspelling.
You're getting so close. It's about to burn up. Okay, very, very close. It doesn't think this thing is a function. It's actually this error over here. It's still the same. But I want you to look very, very closely. Man, I just can't spell for nothing else over here. Look at this thing. So Chris and Robert on the right track.
That has
I
something to
do
do with
need-
the products having an S. Okay.
Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. 1000% yes. I'm sorry, I got really excited. I'm sorry, guys. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. But yes, absolutely. It was because of that there. So because we said products,
Don't we need to fix it on 23 as well then?
very good. Wait, yes.
Good catch, Michael.
Yes, correct. This here is really, really important. Technically speaking, you can do this whole entire line here, but you guys are really on the right track. So it didn't know. I was trying to, so for those that may have not caught it, right? So I had my create function and it was trying to say, hey, product.create. But it's saying, hey, I have a product here and it's getting it from here because I'm pulling it from my models. But my models didn't give it that. It gave it product with an S. So when you're trying to debug or something like that, again, it's not going to always look like that. Yes, you want to jump to the controllers, yes. But how Chris took a step back, like, wait, well, this looks fine. Maybe you need to check the models, and then you're able to pinpoint my error there. I didn't pass it, my product over here. Cool, 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 cool. All right, so let's do that there. Still 400. Why are you playing with me for? Okay, cool. And of course, I think this is kind of delayed. Because before those didn't pop up. Let me stop it. Cool. Let's try this again. Working locally on Scratchpad. Okay, that's not it. All right, so it still doesn't want to work. Cannot find model. Still can't find model. Oh, I know about this error. Okay, where else to go? So I still can't create. Where else to go? And this is not giving me an error. Where to look?
I mean, it does say you're listening on port 7000. I don't know if that matters.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very good. I changed my port. I just threw that in there. All right. Now we finally got a new error. 404.
Not found.
Not found.
Going someplace that doesn't exist.
Correct.
Wonderful.
So
Let's set
now,
up controllers.
well, really our routes. Oopsie, you didn't see that. I gotta change that. I gotta change my whole thing now. Sorry, guys. But anywho, my routes. API, HTTP:// localhost, 7000/API products with an S, new, still does not exist. Where to look? So my routes are fine. It does not recognize my routes. As it hint, it's not, my routes are fine, but it does not recognize my routes. I cannot submit a request. That is your hint.
Check out your
Yeah,
server.
but well,
Very good.
I've got a note. Go ahead. Never mind.
Very good. What am I missing?
Hmm.
Check your files, guys. Check your files. Talk to me.
You
I
got
know
line
that
with the
you
URL encode.
request. Come on, so come on, peeps.
You need that line with the URL encode.
Very good. I do. I need to. Without this, I can't make, or I can't
Post
create,
requests.
correct. Can't make or get, I can't do any of those things. So, oh wait, let me see. Let me show you, maybe make sure. Don't try to just do things too fast now. Oopsie. Oh boy, sorry, I'm not used to this Mac at times. There we go. All right, cool. Let's try this again. Send. Still nothing. Come on.
Gotta move your line 8 down.
Well, this is actually here, but it's okay for this to be here as well. But it's
Oh,
not,
that's what-
yeah. For this at route, thank you so much. That is correct. So I cannot make, oopsie. Sorry. I cannot make a request. So I have HTTP:/400, still can't make it. Hopefully I didn't break it too much now. Oopsie. Check my routes again. API, :HTTP:/7000 API/product/new, but it can't find it. Did I change something again? I don't know. Let me see here. Very good. Oh, I think I really broke it. I think I really broke it, guys.
Do you have any white space at the end of your route after new in Postman?
Postman. Oh, look at
Oh,
What?
ninja
Kelsey,
status.
She just swooped up and like 3-pointer. Thank you, Kelsey. I really didn't think about that. That's a really, really good one. Shout out to Kelsey. Very good.
Impressive.
Cool. So finally we can actually create and do some stuff. I was getting a little nervous, guys. I was like, dang, we got 15 more minutes. I don't know if we can solve all my problems now. But as you saw, right, we can have so many problems with just creates. Don't underestimate Postman. We just spent about what, 10 minutes debugging approximately? And imagine if we didn't think to come on here, how long would it take us to find it? Cool, cool, cool. So let's refresh. That's still going. All right. So now this is still I'm gonna be the the very bad dudes, but we probably still gonna get an error, but we're gonna do Test 6. 4, and then we're gonna write some gibberish over here. Great product. Still not working. Where is my error?
Yeah, but that still says post to localhost 8,000.
Very good. I need to change my front end. So as you saw the difference, right? So when we were getting issues in our back end, we knew, hey, where to go. We knew to test it out. And it comes to the front end. It's like, well, no, I know for a fact my create works. So it has to be my front end. We narrowed that down. So I'm gonna go to my create component and I'm just gonna just change this to 7,000. Cool, refresh it again, because so we're gonna actually put Brita, water filter. We're gonna say $25 and oh wait, I don't know how much stuff we got here, but let's see who actually creates. Cool, but for some reason we still in error. And it's going to 500. This is like the longest error, y'all. But sometimes this is our job. So where we go now? We know our front end works. Sorry, our back end works. This is still saying, hey, 500, something wrong.
I got to create product.js.
Cool. So this is it right here. This is my create. I didn't go to the form. Do you want me to go to the form, Michael?
No, I think this is fine. I just saw it on the side that it said create product.js.
Great error. I should remember this one. So I'm going to give you guys this one. The error resides here. And I want you to look real closely at this here. So again, we know our backend works. Page is working, it's a 500, so something's off. And it relies in our form. Could anyone
Set
spot
price
out?
is grayed out.
Very good. So look, so thank you. If you're unsure, right? So this here, I'm like, oh man, I have to literally think about all my errors that I made. And so if you're unsure, look at what your, what's that word I want to say? Your color scheme is telling you. Is there anything off? Is there anything like, we want to be able to do that? And then I'm first coming in. Z, I forgot to put an on change. Yeah. So let's see if this finally does work. Moment of truth, guys. You're just like, yo, this is the longest error ever. But sometimes it be like that. So I need you to be patient with me, okay?
I hope not. That's a terrible day, man. That means you coded way too much and did not test anything. That is a problem.
We created something, but it does not show up on the screen. But I know it's created because it says product here. But it doesn't show up. What's going on here?
An error.
Is it something to do with your cores? It says like cross origin requests.
Yes, I mean, not really, but yeah, no, but I want you to look really carefully at this error. Look very, very carefully. Very
Localhost 4,000.
very good. Very good. Again, I made these errors kind of obnoxiously, but I really wanted to really pin that down. So if you guys are reading my code, where would you want me to go?
HTTP localhost API products, so probably back to your routes.
Okay, which one?
For your, it'd be a GET request because you want to get all the information.
But what
and
file should I go
iterate through
to?
it.
What
I
file?
ain't got no idea.
Go to your
Well, look at
product
you.
list.
Right there, on my all products. And then look at that, my silly mistake. And sometimes our errors, oh my God, we're finally making some strides. And it added, We're wrapping up. We got 8 more minutes, guys. And look, you guys are debugging with me again. I'm probably a little bit too excited. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. But when I said we get so many errors and I didn't know how to solve them. And one tip at a time, we're solving them and everything. So you guys are really helping me out. So I appreciate y'all. So
Your
now,
delete is still
Yeah,
very low,
before we go
8,000.
anywhere else though, you got like another 8,000 right there and it's
Yeah.
like right in my face. Like,
very good.
no,
Very good. All right. So
sorry, I cut somebody off who was talking. I apologize.
no worries, no worries. All right, cool. So I heard Bear. Did you see my errors? You saw any more of my errors?
No, I was saying the same thing that Robert just said, that that one was still under 8,000.
Thank you, appreciate y'all. See, you're helping me on out here. You're helping me on out. So another common one, I'm just gonna give you guys this one. This is what happens when you do not use an array. When you do not use an array, you get this error. Your error brain. This is a common one. I want you to ingrain this error in your brain. This is the most common one I've seen for all of my students. I kid you not. I feel like it's a #1 error for MERN students. If you do not put square brackets in here, you're going to be saying like, what's wrong? If it's an object, it will still say that. It still will say, hey, we got two. Oh, we'll give you a second error. So extremely, extremely, extremely important that you put square brackets, because here, when you're trying to loop in this list, it can this array, it can only loop through, it can only map through an array. It cannot map through anything else. Okay, really, really important. That makes sense, y'all? So we're gonna just put this on back and get this stuff back. Cool. So now we want to view. Oh shoot. What's going on here? What's no routes matching? Hint, no routes matching. No routes matching. Where to look, guys? Where should I look, you all? We have some lovely participation. Please keep them coming. Ooh, someone said something. Routes. Very good, Matthew. Well, which routes though? Which routes should I look?
The app.js.
Very, very good. Y'all on fire. Y'all on fire. Y'all burning up. So app.js. Where is my error? It's trying to find products in this code here.
You're missing the S on the product details.
Oh, you better stop it, man. You better, Michael, you better watch out now. Okay. Oh shit. Look at here. You just getting all these errors. You just being disrespectful, React. But again, get used to errors. Get used to them. Now, this says product deets. That's what it really says. Deets is
That's
undefined.
another one. It's another 8,000. Why?
Okay.
Why?
All right, so I guess I gotta go to my view component. Let's see product details. All right, I'm just gonna spoil it for y'all. My port 8,000 was in use, and I didn't feel like figuring out why it wasn't in use. So I just think I
That's terrible.
I didn't feel like doing it. All right, cool. All right, cool. But now it says, whoa. Now it says it's null. Null now. I know we're about to wrap up in 4 minutes. So now we're saying, hey, it's null. That's odd. It's really odd. Where to look? I'm doing my res.data. Why is my ID null? See, I should have did this on Sunday. See, you know, I should have did this on Sunday. But no worries, no worries. So it says, hey, line 44. So it says, honesty, this thing is undefined. Well, not undefined, it's actually null.
Does
So
it
before
even
I
have a
was getting
product
it.
title? Is that what it's named? What's it called on the model?
Oh, it's called title.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called title. But the thing is that, as you see here, this is also common. Right? So
It's got
my
a bunch of stuff that's never
res.data.
used.
All right. So for this one, I think I know what this one is.
I hope so.
I do. Is this one. Let me see here. Yeah, that was it. I'm sorry, I had to give it to you guys. I had to. But really important, really important to test all your routes. Test all of them. If you guys didn't get anything from this, test your backend extensively, even for errors. Because you saw here, I'm saying chucking along, oh, this is going good, and boom, and test it. But again, you're not seeing all my code. But again, this is just ideas for you when you guys are debugging, right? So now I have 2 minutes, I know. So now I can view, this is gonna be the last one, so thank you all for your patience. Now, the last one, at least it should be, my delete does not work. And it's localhost 7000. My delete does not work, guys. What could it be? This is the last error. Hopefully this should be the last. Where should I go to troubleshoot this?
It's an internal server error, so I would check your delete function. Maybe? I don't know.
This one is actually not the back end.
Well, it
Can
says
you
internal.
see if you're filtering it out?
Ooh, very good. I'm actually going to. So I have my delete function. Again, we're wrapping up right now. So thank you all for your patience. Wrapping up. I can't. So again, I'm giving you guys this one because to troubleshoot the whole thing, and entirety is going to take longer than the 1 minute. Actually, we don't have any. But this one here, if you find your button, hey, it's not working. It's going straight to my dot catch. It says a 500. Going straight to it. Chris mentioned, hey, am I filtering out my ID? I did not filter it out. If I don't have this callback function over here, it don't matter how many times I delete this button or click this button, it's not gonna work. It is very important that I filter out that ID.
And we'll be going over that in class.
Yes. Okay, so that is fixed. We'll go over more, but then now. Oh wow, what lackluster. Oh, okay, woof. I'm about to say. All right, guys. Well, that was office hour. Hopefully that wasn't too dreadful for you guys to go through my errors with me. You guys were a TA for 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, this is how a session sometimes goes, but it's okay. But this here, just what's the point was to when you see errors, especially they're piling up, and you're like, oh my goodness gracious, if I get another error, I'm about to like curse someone out. No, don't do that. You want to stay calm. We have to just go through one error at a time, and so on and so forth. So hopefully you test out fully your backend and make sure even your validations work. Like how we did earlier with Tyler, where he tested out his validations and so on. It does for that as well. And then you go to your front end and you just tick at it away. So hopefully it was a good office hour for you all, and that you were able to learn some things. This will be recorded, you have access to it, and so on and so forth. And I will stop recording.